97% of Mongolia is completely empty. It is the most fascinating country in the modern world. Mongolia, often dubbed as the land of the eternal blue sky, is a vast and sparsely populated country located in East Asia, sandwiched between Russia to the north and China to the south. Mongolia is surrounded on all of its sides by hundreds of kilometers of land separating it from the ocean, making it the largest landlocked country in the world that doesn't have any access to an internal sea. Covering an area of approximately 1.6 million square kilometers, 603,909 square miles, it is one of the least densely populated countries globally. It is the 18th largest country in the world, with a population of around 3 million people who live across all of that land. This sparse population distribution has led to the perception that 99.7% of Mongolia is completely empty, a notion that encapsulates both the vastness and the unique challenges faced by this remarkable country. Ulaanbaatar is the capital and the largest city in Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar is located in the north-central part of Mongolia, situated along the Tuul River Valley, at the foot of the Bogd Khan Ul mountain range. The population of Ulaanbaatar is around 1.5 million, making it the largest city in Mongolia, but the fact that this big city exists within monopolies means that Ulaanbaatar alone is home to roughly 48% of the entire Mongolian population. This makes Mongolia one of the most highly centralized countries in the entire world, as Ulaanbaatar only takes up 0.3% of Mongolia's land. It means you have got a situation in the country where 48% of the population are 1.6 million people all live in just 0.3% of the land, while the other 52% of the population are 1.7 million. People all live across the remaining 99.7% of the land. This means the Ulaanbaatar's massively concentrated population greatly skews the average population density across the whole country, and so when you exclude the city's land from the calculation, the remaining 99.7% of Mongolia contains an average population density of just 1 people per square kilometer. This empty stretch of Mongolia, where roughly 1/3 of the population continues to this day on the 21st century to live a nomadic lifestyle that would in many ways remains familiar to the era of Genghis Khan more than 800 years ago. So how does this situation in Mongolia develop and persist into the 21st century? What is it about this country that has made it to the emptiest in the entire world? To understand this, we need to have a look at few things about Mongolia's geography and climate. The country's territory exists across most of the High Mongolian Plateau. A region of high elevation across Central Asia is contained on all of its sides by even higher mountain ranges from thousands to 1,500 meters above sea levels, and Mongolia's borders within the high plateau place are nearly 800 kilometers away from the nearest oceanic body of water, the Yellow Sea, because of the Mongolia's plateau's high elevation and distance away from the Indo-Pacific Deep. Within the Eurasian continental interior, moist monsoon winds that brings rainfall from the Pacific rarely, if ever, are able to carry all their moisture all the way into the Mongolian plateau and then to the north. The Mongolian plateau also sits immediately beneath Siberia, which influences its climate. Mongolia's climate is characterized by its continental nature, resulting in extreme temperature variations throughout the year. Winter, from December to February, is long and severe, with temperatures often plummeting below -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and occasionally dropping below -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, in the coldest areas. Snowfall is common, especially in the northern and western regions, and snow cover can persist from November to April. From March to May is brief but sees a rapid increase in temperatures. However, it can still be quite cold, particularly in March. Snowmelt and increased rainfall can lead to muddy conditions in some areas. From June to August is warm and relatively short, with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. However, temperatures can occasionally exceed 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, in certain areas. September to November is a transitional period characterized by cooling temperatures and vibrant foliage. Overall, Mongolia's climate is influenced by its inland location, far from any moderating oceanic influences, resulting in significant temperature fluctuations. Between seasons, hence Mongolia is often referred to as the land of the eternal blue sky because of its vast, open landscapes and the relatively low amount of cloud cover it experiences. The country has a high altitude and is far from large bodies of water, which contributes to its dry climate and clear skies. The combination of these factors results in a strikingly blue sky that seems to stretch on forever, especially during the summer months when the weather is generally clear and sunny. This phenomenon has become a symbol of Mongolia's natural beauty and has led to the country being known for its exceptionally blue skies. The Mongolian nomads, who traditionally spent much of their lives outdoors, have a deep appreciation for the sky and its ever-present blue hue. The endless blue sky has also been a source of inspiration for Mongolian art, poetry, and literature, further cementing its significance in the country's culture and identity. Mongolia experiences a shortage of rainfall, particularly in the Gobi Desert region, which is the sixth largest desert in the world. The Gobi Desert, spanning northern China and southern Mongolia, is one of the world's largest deserts. It's known for its vast, arid landscape characterized by sand dunes, rocky mountains, and sparse vegetation. Despite its harsh conditions, the Gobi Desert is home to unique wildlife, including the Bactrian camel and the elusive snow leopard. The region also holds archaeological and paleontological significance, with fossils of ancient mammals and dinosaur eggs found in its sands. The vast emptiness of Mongolia, with 99.7% of its land uninhabited, is a result of its unique geography, nomadic traditions, and historical context. The country's rugged terrain, including the expansive Gobi Desert and rugged mountains, along with its nomadic herding culture, have contributed to its sparsely populated landscape. Historical factors, such as the decline of urban centers and the impact of past political regimes, have also played a role. Despite this emptiness, Mongolia's landscapes are not devoid of life or beauty. They are home to diverse wildlife and offer a sense of tranquility and mystery that is truly captivating.